Good morning, third standard. How are you all? We've been looking at space technology all these days. So we looked at space shuttle, we looked at rovers, we looked at satellite, we even looked at the telescope, and this is called the ground station. Okay, so this is where they observe um, the planets and the stars through their telescope. So a satellite is something that orbits or goes around a planet to collect information. Okay. Um, then scientists can see planets and stars close up through a telescope. A space shuttle, which is something that carries the satellites or people uh, into outer space. Some of them can come back. Most of them can come back now, but some of them are disposable. Are disposed of, means they are thrown away. It's one-time use. A rover can move across the surface of the planet or the moon. Okay, so I'm not going to explain that because all these days that's what we have been doing. Okay, so when we make a fact file or when we discuss about a topic, what are all the things that you include? Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ if we are writing about the rover, what will we write? We will write what is it, what is a rover, what does it do, something amazing about it, um, the size of it. Is it the size of a football? Is it the size of a football stadium? Okay, so here they've given you a fact file of a space shuttle. So fact file പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ടുള്ള facts, the more information about it. Okay, so this is a space shuttle, so you have a picture there, and then you put a heading space shuttle. Then you say the first thing that you say is what it is. So a space shuttle is a rocket that travels into space and comes back to Earth again. It is extremely powerful and very very fast. Okay, so you say what it is. What does it do? It takes astronauts and scientists into space to discover new information about our solar system. It can also take other missions into space, for example, rovers to Mars. So it answers that question. Then the size. A space shuttle is huge. It's about 56 meters long, the same as nearly five school buses. Okay, and just school bus in the size on space shuttle. And one amazing fact: space shuttle can reach a speed of more than 27,000 kilometers per hour. How amazing is that? Okay, so when you read a fact file, most often it will have all these points. It will have a picture, it will have a heading. And when you write a fact file, you should include these points. So for this is page 34. We're going to page 35. Most of you have got your textbook, so okay. So we're going to write a fact file about the Mars rover. That is why I sent you that clipping, that video about Mars rover. So what is the first thing you will do? You will, in your notebook, first thing you will write the date. Okay, so this is your notebook. The first thing you will write is, of course, the date. I'm not writing the date. And then as a heading, you will write fact file. And what are we going to write about? We're going to write about the Mars rover. All right. So what is it? It is a rover used in the Mars mission. What does it do? It travels around moves around the planet, taking pictures and collecting facts. What is the size? What is an amazing fact about the rover? Okay, so these are the points that you need for a fact file. Now, I'm going to, all you have to do is look at the video that I sent you and then find your own, find the answers. The video, I sent you 2 videos about the rovers. From that, whatever information you get, you try and do the fact file. Alright, third standard? Okay, so that's all you have to do. You don't have to spend a lot of time on the internet and Google and all that, because it's not safe to do it on your own. If your mother and father are there, it's fine. Otherwise, just look at those 2 videos that I sent you about the rover. I think it was on Friday that I sent you the rover. So just look at that and fill in these facts. Okay, so I'll send this to you separately as an assignment for the people who are not able to do it during live class. Um, Another thing is, I think I mentioned it on the classroom. The first Indian first uh, Indian Mars mission was successful, and ബാക്കി എല്ലാ കൺട്രീസിലും they had to take at least 2 or 3 turns, but നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഗോൾ തന്നെ നമ്മളുടെ സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ആയി. അതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഒരു മൂവി മംഗൾ, മിഷൻ മംഗൾ എന്നെന്തോ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. I think this is the name. Either Mangal Mission or Mission Mangal. Let me see. Yeah, Mission Mangal. Akshay Kumar, Vidya Balan, അവരൊക്കെ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. Okay, so it's a true story. നമ്മളുടെ മംഗൾയാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള mission to Mars, and it happened in 2014. So it's 7 years now. And but it's not a rover. Rover Allah, it is just a satellite orbiting Mars. All right. Okay. So that's it for today, third standard. Have a lovely day. Enjoy yourself. Um, and I'll see you later. Bye. Jai Hind.